LG Refrigerator LSXC22396S. 22 cf counter depth side by side. 36 inches wide, InstaView door and door. Total capacity, 21.74 cubic feet refrigerator capacity, 14.34 cubic feet freezer capacity, 7.4 cubic feet type, freestanding Energy Star, yes. Number of shelves, 7 type of shelves, glass number of doors, 2 glass door, yes door alarm, yes. Door and door, yes freezer shelves, yes ice maker, yes water dispenser, external style, side by side. Width, 35.875 inches exterior width, 36 inches height, 70.3125 inches height to top of cabinet, 69.35 inches depth, 31.813 inches. Depth without handles, 29.375 inches depth without door, 24.625 inches depth with door at 90 degrees, 46.625 inches. Shop for LG Refrigerator LSXC22396S at Elite Appliance. All our luxury appliances at eliteappliance.com.